From a distance, our solar system looks peaceful, with everything neatly in its place. But take a closer look, and you'll find surprises, like the asteroid Bennu, a cosmic traveler that has ventured out of the asteroid belt to pass dangerously close to Earth. Most asteroids stay in specific regions, yet some wander into our neighborhood. What determines if they harmlessly pass by or pose a serious threat? That's where NASA's OSIRIS-REx mission comes in, aiming to unlock the mystery of asteroid motion. A key factor is the Yarkovsky Effect, a subtle but powerful force. Here's how it works. As an asteroid spins, sunlight heats its surface during the day. At night, that heat is released as radiation, creating a tiny push. Over time, this gentle nudge can significantly alter the asteroid's course, especially for smaller ones. The asteroid's shape, rotation, and surface features all influence this effect, making its path unpredictable. By studying Bennu up close, OSIRIS-REx will help us better predict how asteroids move, and whether one might hit Earth. Next time an asteroid approaches, we'll have the tools to say exactly where it's headed, and whether we need to prepare for impact.